Which CCTV cameras should I choose? With what quality will show your chosen cameras, and will they be able to see license plate numbers, people's faces, and will they work well at night? What characteristics you need to look at when choosing CCTV cameras in order to choose quality cameras and not overpay extra money. We will answer all these questions in this video. If you are choosing a security camera for yourself, you will be helped by our 5 tips for choosing security cameras. Thanks to this video, you will be able to choose the right CCTV cameras for your facility, and you won't have to pay too much money. 1. Choose a camera not by budget but by task. If your object is the task to remove the face of the intruder or car number from a distance of 10 to 15 meters, and you will put a budget CCTV camera showing with clarity of 1 to 2 meters, then such video surveillance will be meaningless and you will spend money for nothing, because you will see how to your site penetrated the thief, but neither the face or car numbers. With such cameras you cannot see. Always ask the store clerk for examples of recordings from those cameras that you like, in order to determine with what quality they will show. Let's look at the example of video surveillance cameras. Brand ISON. What are the options for the clarity of filming? ISON IP80 QR cameras show with clarity on faces and license plate numbers 5 to 10 meters. ISON IP50 SAFCW cameras show with clarity 10 to 20 meters. ISON IP80 SAF MBA cameras show with clarity up to 30 meters. ISON IP50 SPD ZPD7AI cameras show with clarity up to 300 meters. If you are considering CCTV cameras from other manufacturers, you will be able to compare with these models as a benchmark. The names and links to all models will be in the description. If you do not have the right amount of money for those cameras that fit your object, then either postpone the purchase or take a smaller number of cameras and provide for expansion so that in the future you can add cameras. 2. Look not at megapixels, but at examples of recordings. Today on the market there is a very large number of unscrupulous manufacturers and sellers giving cameras with cheap 960h picture for 5 or 8 megapixel cameras. Therefore, to choose CCTV cameras only by resolution is meaningless, because now there is a large number of cheap CCTV cameras that are advertised as 8 megapixel with a resolution of 4K, but in fact because of weak matrices and processors, such cameras show worse than the cameras in old phones. Similar to the previous point, I will give you some examples of popular surveillance cameras that will help you choose a quality camera and do not fall for the deception of scammers. CCTV cameras ISON IP80 SAF MBA, ISON IP50 Siemens R, ISON IPG R1000 Pro, ISON IP80 Siemens SL Pro, ISON SF505 Pro have good image quality, and the declared resolution will coincide with the actual, as the matrix with the processor will show a really high quality picture. In the description of this video, we will leave a complete list of CCTV cameras with good video quality. All these models are ISON brand. If you choose for yourself CCTV cameras of another brand, you will be able to compare with these options as a benchmark. 3. Avoid CCTV cameras with R5 infrared diodes. Night eye or illumination burnout is a common problem with cheap CCTV cameras. If you want your CCTV cameras to show quality not only during the day but also at night, then choose cameras only with quality modern infrared diodes. The problem with R5 category diodes is that by the end of the first year of use, your night illumination can burn out more than 50% and the quality of night filming will become noticeably worse. The list of CCTV cameras with quality night shooting and with modern infrared diodes we will also leave in the description. Check with the seller what kind of night illumination is used in your chosen CCTV cameras in order not to face the problem of quickly burned out diodes. 4. Choose a CCTV camera with WDR and DNR technology. WDR is a technology that improves the quality of filming in pool or inappropriate lighting conditions, as well as in situations where the camera lens is exposed to the light of the sun or street lights. Buy CCTV cameras without this technology is a bad idea, because wherever you do not put your cameras several times a day on them will shine the sun or on the contrary fall shadow, and CCTV cameras without such technology at such times will be useless, because you will not be able to see people's faces or license plates. It should also be noted that today there is a large number of unscrupulous manufacturers who, instead of the original technology WDR, put in the cameras of its cheap copy of the crowd, of which there is no. So choose only manufacturers who produce only quality CCTV cameras, such as brands ISON, Sony, Bosch. The same situation with the technology and DNR or 3DNR. This is a technology that improves the quality of filming at night. Without this technology, video at night will ripple. There will be noticeable interference that will prevent you from seeing a person's face or read the license plate number. Also beware of fakes. Choose only quality manufacturers not to face the fact that you will waste your money on a fake. 5. If you do not know about CCTV cameras, it is a bad idea to buy cameras and all other accessories in different stores. Choosing cameras and recorder separately, you risk first of all to run into incompatible equipment. Your cameras will not work with the recorder that you choose. And secondly, you can under 2 megapixel cameras without realizing that you can choose a recorder with a maximum resolution of 1 megapixel. This means that your 2 megapixel cameras will show with a resolution of 1 megapixel. Also, often there are situations when you bought a cable for video surveillance, which is not suitable for your cameras, and cameras either will not work or will work with problems. Periodically will be disconnected or will be lost night illumination. In order to avoid these mistakes, choose either a ready-made video surveillance system in which everything is already selected correctly, or all buy in one store, and before you buy, ask the seller to check whether all correctly you have collected. List of popular models of ready-made video surveillance kits earlier we have repeatedly voiced. These are models ISON Greco Pro, ISON Alpha Pro X, ISON Covo Pro. In the description of this video, we'll leave a more detailed list of such models. Ready-made video surveillance kit is a convenient kit that can be installed by yourself without any preparation, because everything you need is already included in the kit, and you do not need to worry that any elements will be incompatible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. We have a lot of interesting stuff on CCTV camera systems.